Welcome to Live in and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. Our first message today is the Holy Christ is born in me today. The sight of Christ is all there is to see. The song of Christ is all there is to hear. The hand of Christ is all there is to hold. There is no journey but to walk with Him. So here Christ is actually the Christ consciousness, the divinity. So this is a reminder to see, hear, and hold everything that is divine. Let's see our second message today. The blue flame, spontaneous awakening, activation, integration time. This is a card of awakening and energetic upgrades. Perhaps you are going through a period of spontaneous awakening, receiving visions and having experiences that are out of the ordinary. In the West, little is known about the process of spontaneous awakening, and it can feel very scary when we are going through it alone. Elsewhere, they can be seen as auspicious experiences, with those going through them being treated with tender care. The blue beings are thought to be activating beings with great potential for healing and upgrading our cellular structures. They appear in moments of extreme awakening, activating a physical Kundalini awakening and deep cellular and DNA healing. Many people glamorize the awakening process. However, in reality, it's much messier and more difficult than most of us believe. We must first let go of what we think we know for sure and how we make sense of the world. And this isn't easy. The awakening process, even when it's spontaneous, takes a considerable amount of time to integrate. And awakening without integration can leave us feeling very ungrounded. If you are in the midst of an awakening, the process never ends. Treat this time as deeply sacred and give yourself ample space to ground and integrate the extreme changes you're going through. This is an activation card. Hold your hands on your heart and say, I allow myself to surrender to the awakening process that's right for me. I take things slowly and integrate my experience each and every day. Especially in this time, the earth is ascending into fifth dimension, into higher vibration, higher consciousness. And there is a lot happening across the world. A lot of people are awakening. And this is very difficult. It's tough. It may sound glamorous, but it is not. It is important that you ground yourself and integrate this, because the higher vibration, when these codes are activated within your body, when the DNA is activated, when the deep cellular healing happens, and when you're going through all this process, it's a lot to take in. It requires you to be patient with yourself, with your body. It requires you to ground yourself. Just trust the process. Surrender to the process. Surrender to the universe. Surrender to divine. And keep integrating experiences each and every day. Those are the messages for today. Lots of love.